This square bottle labeling machine allows you to edit label information directly on a computer, supporting real-time printing of logos, QR codes, and text. It is designed for both semicircle and full-circle labeling on square bottles.